Welcome to UniSellergy. In this video, we will understand how to manage products using the inventory module. Step 1. Open inventory module. Go to the inventory section from the left side menu. At the top, you will see the following tabs: Inventory, List Products, Bulk Product Update, Mapped, Unmapped. Each tab helps you manage a different part of your product inventory. Inventory tab. Overview. When you open the Inventory tab, summary cards appear in this order: all products, active stock, to ship, low stock, out of stock, unlisted. These cards give you a quick overview of your overall product and stock status. Date and duration filter, top right. At the top right of the inventory page, you will see quick duration filters: 30, 60, 90, all. These buttons allow you to quickly filter product data based on a selected time range. For example, 30 shows data from the last 30 days, 60 shows data from the last 60 days, 90 shows data from the last 90 days. All displays complete data without time restriction. Next to this, you will see the start date to end date filter. Click the calendar icon to manually select a custom date range. This helps you analyze inventory performance for a specific period. Below the cards, you will see the total product count and filtering options. Filtering products. You can filter products using channel name, select all channels or a specific channel. Filter type: all products, low stock, out of stock, unlisted, etc. Advanced filter. Click the filter icon to expand advanced filtering. You can search by SKU or product ID, product name, product category, quantity range, price range. After selecting filters, click Apply. To clear filters, click Reset. Resync button. The Resync button fetches the latest product data from the connected sales channels. Click Resync. If you select all channels, the system will fetch the latest data from all connected channels. If you select a particular channel, the system will fetch the latest data only for that selected channel. This allows you to control whether you want to refresh data for all channels or only a specific one. Use this button whenever you want to get the most recent product data from your sales channels. Product listing table. The table displays SKU/product title, category/variation type, nickname, sellable quantity, selling price, to ship quantity, channels, status, action. Use the Action button to edit product details if needed. List Products tab. Now open the List Products tab. This tab shows channel-specific product listing information. At the top right, you will see Search bar, Status filter drop-down, Add Product button. You can filter by All status, Active, Inactive, Draft, Archived. Click Add Product to create a new channel listing. Product list details. Each row displays product image and name, brand, SKU, channel, status, action, arrow icon. Expanding product details. Click the arrow icon on the right side of a product row. The Product Details panel will open. You will see the General Information section. This section displays channel-specific product information. The product status may show as published. You can view details such as SKU code, category, price, MRP, quantity, weight, dimensions. Below this, you will see the product description shown to customers on the marketplace. View and delete. On the right side of the expanded panel, you will see two buttons. View opens complete product details. Delete removes the product from the channel listing. Once deleted, the product will no longer be available on the connected marketplace. You can also select products using checkboxes. After selecting multiple products, the Delete Selected button will appear. This allows you to delete multiple products at once. Bulk Product Update. Now open the Bulk Product Update tab. Here you will see 5 options: Update Products, Update Price, Delete SKUs, Stock Reset, Manage Image. 1. Bulk update products. Click on Update Products. This allows you to update multiple product details using a CSV file. First, select the required channel. Then click Download Sample CSV. Fill in details such as SKU or product ID, product name, category, description, attributes, other editable fields. Important: do not change the column headings. Save the file. Click Choose File, then click Upload. Track upload status in the Upload History section. 2. Bulk Price Update. Click on Update Price. Download the sample CSV and enter SKU or product ID, updated selling price. Do not modify column names. Upload the file. Prices will update automatically once processed. 3. Bulk Delete SKUs. Click on Delete SKUs. Download the sample CSV. Enter SKU codes to delete. Do not change column headers. Upload the file. Selected SKUs will be deleted after processing. Check status in Upload History. 4. Bulk Stock Reset. Click on Stock Reset. Download the sample CSV. There are 3 reset types. Blank replaces existing stock. Increase adds quantity. Decrease reduces quantity. You can also mention a reason for stock adjustment. Maximum limit 10,000 rows per file. Upload and monitor status in Upload History. 5. Manage Image. Click on Manage Image. Image resolution must be between 800 by 800 pixels, minimum, 4472 by 4472 pixels, maximum. Search by product name, SKU, product ID. Upload updated images. Click View Updated List to check image update history. Mapped tab displays products already mapped to channels. Shows total products, total mapped titles, total variations, total channels. Unmapped tab displays products not yet mapped to any channel. Click Map to connect products to a channel. Final summary. Using the inventory module, you can monitor stock levels, track low and out-of-stock products, filter data by 30, 60, 90 days or custom date range, fetch the latest product data for all channels or a specific channel using Resync, manage channel listings, perform bulk updates, update prices, delete SKUs, reset stock, manage images, map and unmap products. This helps you manage inventory efficiently across all connected sales channels. Thank you for using UniSellergy.